Are you looking for a way to lose weight without breaking the bank? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you the ultimate guide to eating a budget-friendly diet that can help you shed those extra pounds and improve your overall health. So let's dive right in. The first step to eating a budget diet is to plan your meals in advance. This will help you avoid impulsive and unhealthy food choices. Sit down with a pen and paper and create a weekly meal plan, making sure to include affordable ingredients like beans, lentils, and vegetables. Next, embrace whole foods. These are natural foods that are minimally processed and packed with nutrients. Think fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins. Not only are they better for your health, but they're also usually more budget-friendly compared to processed foods. Cooking at home is not only fun, but it can also save you a significant amount of money. Skip eating out and try your hand at some simple and delicious home-cooked meals. Experiment with different recipes, and make sure to pack your lunch when you're on the go. Buying in bulk can be a game changer when it comes to eating on a budget. Look for deals at your local grocery stores or consider joining a wholesale club. Stock up on pantry staples like rice, pasta, and canned goods, which can last for a long time and be the foundation of many budget-friendly meals. Don't let those leftovers go to waste. Make use of them by repurposing them into new meals. Get creative in the kitchen and turn yesterday's dinner into today's lunch. By doing this, you'll not only save money but also reduce food waste. Lastly, when shopping for groceries, be a smart shopper. Compare prices, look for sales and discounts, and don't be afraid to buy generic or store brands. And always make a shopping list and stick to it, to avoid purchasing unnecessary items. In summary, eating a budget-friendly diet while losing weight and improving your health is completely doable. By planning your meals, embracing whole foods, cooking at home, buying in bulk, making use of leftovers, and shopping smart, you can achieve your goals without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.